your stock pick for today, Cobus, what are you choosing?
I'm going a little bit boring, but I mean, to me, it's remarkable that the stock is still so attractively valued. It's Mr. Price, going at a PE of below 14 at the moment. I think if you like the SA Inc. thesis, if you like, if you think that SA Inc. stocks have underperformed and perhaps the long-term expected growth for South Africa is looking a little bit rosier given the GNU and potentially more friendly, market-friendly and economic growth-friendly policies going forward, it's a fantastic pick with a fantastic management team. One interesting catalyst, which I like to mention, is the SARS ruling, and one of the big external players, or two external players in the form of Shein and Temu, have essentially been sort of hurting Mr. Price specifically. I mean, Fushini's have had a lot to say about it, but the truth is they don't really compete against that market segment. But below a certain threshold, the authorities were simply clearing those imports for smaller packages at a flat rate, which is preposterous given that textiles attract in excess of 45% of duties. So now they will be pricing those appropriately, which means that price premium that Mr. Price is charging relative to those players has shrunk significantly to being somewhat negligible, given that their quality does tend to be better than those players, and that benefits them, call it on the lower end.
Yeah.
And other than that, of course, it hasn't really re-rated entirely, given how much the outlook has improved.
All right. Well, thank you for that insight and for your analysis on what has been moving investors' money today, Cobus. I really appreciate it. That was Southern Cross Capital's Cobus Potgieter.